Hey guys, Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your private money minute. Most people get into real estate investing for the investment vehicle, but they end up getting caught up in just the fee end of the business. Now, let me explain. Is your real estate income coming from fees or assets? Fees are when you flip a house and you make maybe $20,000. If you wholesale a house, if you're selling properties as a real estate agent, that's all fee income. You got to work daily to make that income. On the other side, uh, there's an investment vehicle or assets, like maybe you buy a rental property, right? You put some money up into a rental property, it spits out positive cash flow, hopefully over time, maybe it appreciates, you pay down the debt, and that's an asset, right? You did the heavy lifting up front and the asset works for you. Obviously, there's tax advantages of that. The goal is to acquire assets over and over and over time. You might not get rich on some of them overnight, but you grow them over time. The best investors do both, right? They make some of their income today for their hard work with fees, and the bulk of their net worth and their wealth is acquiring assets over the years.